You've probably seen the headline saying that you should constantly be worried about something, whether it's the US and Venezuela, whether it's China and Taiwan, it's Russia and Ukraine, it is inflation, it is property prices, the list goes on forever. But you need to remember that the person writing the article gets paid for how many reads, views, or clicks that they get on that article. A lot of the time, it is not actually as dire as what the article reads. So from a financial planning perspective, we need to think long term at all times. Now, at the moment, a lot of Australians are really worried about the first Tuesday in February. What is the RBA going to do? Let's go back 3 months ago. Inflation was in the target band, and most people were thinking there might even be a rate cut, and there was a lot of optimism. Fast forward, there were 2 months in a row also of inflation that moved out of the target band. Inflation was too high. And then the rhetoric changed almost immediately. The share market plunged and a lot of people started to panic that rates could go back up again. Now, we didn't have an RBA meeting in January, but we are having one on the first Tuesday of February. Most economists are in limbo. Now, don't get me wrong. When people are in limbo, they go towards the RBA will maintain rates position. But we're definitely nowhere near where we were 3 months ago, where people were talking about cuts. If anything, a third of economists can agree that there will be some form of rate hike in 2026. Now, if that worries you, you need to step back and think about, am I in a position where 1 or 2 rate hikes is going to drastically impact my financial situation? If you are, you need to think about what areas of your financial situation got you to where you are and what can you control to move you out of it. Now, when we're planning, we want to always think long term. There will be short-term volatility, whether it's international, domestic, interest rates, whatever it may be. Now, we don't want to throw the baby out with the bathwater and cancel all of our long-term plans because of short-term volatility and news articles. Step back, write down what you have, what you owe, what your net equity is, write down what your living expenses are. Okay, what your income is, figure out all these different aspects of your financial situation, then figure out, okay, where do I see myself in the next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and do your best. Now, ask yourself in 2026, what are some of the things that I can control?